fight, never quit, do it right, play the game, win it life, have no shame, there's no time, feel the pain, live the grind, I could change, in my mind, pick a lane, commit and climb, the only way to win it life. I never miss, that's facts, taking big swings, bitch, hand me the bat, put me in the ring, you'll go out in a bag, cause I sing what I mean and I bring it to the mad light. Ain't got time to kill, I got time to feel, I took the red pill, I know life's short so I wanna live real, but how's it supposed to feel? How's it supposed to feel? How's it supposed to feel? They wanna say my name, but they holding back. They wanna say they hate, but they know it's cap. I ain't play no games, I just do that's fact. And I don't feel no shame, it's a mood you lack. I go crazy, nah bitch I ain't lazy. Track after track, I work on the shit daily. Pass me the jack, right as fuel, got me hazy. About to unpack all these things I've been chasing. I've got visions in my head, like memories after death. To be a legend instead of something you can forget. I'm living up every breath, I'd rather lead than be led. I'll fill the seeds as I spread with every word that I've said. How's it supposed to feel? How's it supposed to feel?
YouTubers, visual content creators, vloggers, you know how important to have dynamic shots on a video. Meet the world's first tabletop dolly that you can make route planning with image processing technology easy and fast. We worked on different scenarios to fulfill your needs. Trexo wheels can perform linear and circular movements without using a mobile device. Only thing you need is to teach the route you want to perform. And also with long dolly in-out shots, you can take advantage of the shadow depth of field for amazing visuals. With the help of the intuitive iOS and Android applications, it's easy to control the Trexo wheels. Application connects instantly when you unfold the Trexo wheels. With the turntable kit, you can use Trexo wheels as a product turntable for 360 photography and videos. Sometimes we need complicated camera movements for multi-scene shots. That's why we developed the camera path mode, which uses image processing technology for sophisticated paths. With Loop feature, Trexo wheels is a great solution for interviews, B-roll, or any other static shots. Just set it and forget it for perfect cinematic movement. Sometimes we need several takes to make it perfect. If you need to repeat the movement, use the buttons on the Trexo wheels or the smartphone app to take it to initial position and repeat movement as much as you want. With single tap, you can convert a movement to a time-lapse. Just a few parameters and you're good to go without any annoying calculations.